Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but today I'm coming at you guys with some cheeseburger egg rolls with my famous secret sauce that I'm going to share with you guys. So if you like how these look, stay tuned. Alright guys, so what we have here is a medium-sized sweet onion. I only use sweet onions unless I'm making a salad, and it's probably red. So I'm just going to chop these onions up. Nothing to it but to do it. Do it however you like. There's no right or wrong way. Just chopping the onion. And then I have my cast iron pot here, which is old and beaten up. And I put a little bit of vegetable oil and olive oil, and then some garlic with the onions. Saute them down to your preference. Add in your ground beef, your ground turkey, ground chicken, whatever you're using as your protein. And then I have some salt, pepper, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, because I like heat. I have some onion powder as well. And I like my stuff lightly seasoned, especially when it has sodium from the cheese, so you really don't want to overdo it. And it's fried, come on now. So I seasoned it lightly to my preference, and here's the sauce. I apologize, you guys, I did not I thought I was recording, but I did not hit the button. So this is how the sauce looks. If you want to try the sauce, I'm going to put the ingredients and measurements in the description box. Okay, so now we have these Nasoya egg roll wrappers. I got them from Walmart. You can get them anywhere, just about any grocery store in the Asian section. And so you put it like you put the egg roll wrapper in like a diamond shape. You can put a half sliced cheese, whatever. That's what I'm doing. Do it however you like. And then put the meat. That's a little bit of egg wash. And then fold it like so. And then roll it. I'm not a egg roll wrapper guru, but this is how I'm doing it. So you take another one. Diamond shape. Almost forgot the cheese. Put the cheese about 2/3 down. Put a little bit of meat. Sometimes I overdo it. And then some egg wash here. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys off camera, I did put a little Worcestershire in my meat because I really like that in anything I make with ground beef. And then fold it down, push it so it's tight. Fold one side down, fold the next side down, and then roll it tight. That egg is going to seal the egg roll, the egg wash. More cheese, more meat, and so forth. Alright guys, so I have rolled up all of my egg rolls that I'm going to make tonight. And this is how they are supposed to look. My version of them, as I said, I'm not an egg roll guru, but this is my take on it. It's easy enough for me. And so actually, again, I thought I was filming, but I wasn't. This is the second batch that I'm frying, and you can just leave them in there to your preference. I had the heat on medium high, and I would say I left them in for about 3 minutes. And just make sure to frequently turn them. So good. And make sure you guys use fresh grease. I used fresh grease. You don't want your stuff tasting sour from old grease. Alright, so here is the finished product. And you can cut it in half like this or not, whatever. You guys know I do the most all the time. So here's my sauce. I just put it in one of these little dollar store 99-cent squeeze bottles, and I am completing a failed attempt at trying to drizzle and be extra and fancy. And now I'm just adding a little bit of parsley, you know, for the Instagram, for the IG. So this is gonna be pick worthy, I hope. And this is the finished product, guys. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys soon with another video.